Hello children, in today's video we'll learn about a new script letter, and that letter is W. Script letter W, and the sound of W is V. W says V. Now let's see script letter W in your textbook. Children, this is your ABC Fun B book, and on page number 51 you will find script letter W. So this is script letter W, and the sound of script letter W is V. V. Wash basin. V. Washing machine. V. Whale. V. Wallet. V. Wheel. Now let's learn how to write script letter W on green board. Children, capital letter W we write in 3 lines. First red line, first blue line and second blue line. But script letter W we will write in these 2 lines. First blue line and second blue line. Now let's see how to write script letter W. From first blue line, make a standing line, go down to a second blue line, a curve, go up to the first blue line, touch it, come down on the same line, touch the second blue line again, a curve, and go up to the first blue line. This is script letter W. Let's write one more time. From first blue line, a standing line till second blue line, a curve, go up to the first blue line, come down on the same line, a U curve, and go up and touch the first blue line. Script letter W. Let's practice it one more time. From first blue line to second blue line, then a curve, go up to the first blue line, come down on the same line, a curve, again, go up to the first blue line. Children, so this is script letter W. Now let's draw 2 pictures related to it. Children, we will draw a well and a wheel. So let's start. To draw a well, first make standing line. One more standing line like this. Join it with a slipping line. Here, down curve and up curve. Okay. One more standing line here. Another one will be here. Join it with a slipping line. And in the center, do a small circle and fill it with color. And a rope. And here we will make a bucket. Okay. So, up curve, down curve, slanting line, another slanting line, join it with a slipping line. Here again a slanting line, both the sides, slipping line, here 2 small circles and a curve. This will be the handle of bucket. Okay children, and here we'll make slipping lines like this. In the center, standing lines like this. In the second line also. Okay children? So this is well. Now let's draw a wheel. To draw a wheel, you all have to make a circle like this. Little bit far, one more circle like this, and और एक सर्कल ऐसे बाहर आउटर साइड पे आपको बनाना है. Like this. Okay children, in the center make standing line like this, slipping lines, and in this portion slanting line. Okay, so this is wheel. Let's learn how to write script letter W in your ABC Fun B. So open page number 5 to 52. This is script letter W, and in this box you have to draw any picture of your choice. You can draw a well or a wheel. Okay, now let's write From first blue line, make a standing line till second blue line, a curve, go up, touch the first blue line, come down on the same line, touch the second blue line, curve and go up. Script letter W. Let's trace it one more time. A standing line till second blue line, curve, go up to the first blue line, come down on the second line and go up. Like this you all have to write. I'll show you here one more time as well. From first blue line to second blue line, a standing line, curve, go up to the first blue line, come down on the same line, curve, go up. Okay children, like this you all have to complete till here. Now let's do an exercise. Tick the pictures that begin with the letter W and write W under them. Children, we have to identify the pictures which starts from script letter W and we have to write script letter W in this box. Okay, so which picture is this? Watch. Watch. Does it start with script letter W? Yes. So we will tick the picture and we will write script letter W. Which picture is this? Is it whale? No, it's a dolphin. So we will not tick it and we will not write anything here. Next one is Daddy's wallet. Yes, it starts from script letter W. So we will tick wallet and we will write script letter W. What is this? Rabbit. Does it start from script letter W? No. So we will not tick the rabbit and we will keep this box empty. And the last one is ma'am has just now drawn it. What is this? Well. So we will tick this picture and we will write script letter W. So complete it nicely. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.